Hello class, my name is Ariel Hirschhorn and I'm here to discuss thrifting and why you should consider doing so. Are you a fashionista? Do you enjoy looking for brand new clothing and accessories, or changing your style or adding new items to your closet, but you can't exactly afford to do so at designer prices? Well, you should consider thrifting. Thrifting is a discounted treasure hunt. What is thrifting? Thrifting is secondhand shopping. Most thrifters shop at consignment shops, and basically they purchase pre-owned items, whether brand new or gently or very used items, that are resold at these thrift stores. Why should you thrift? Let's begin with never knowing what you could find. That is the best part about thrifting. Not knowing what to expect, you can walk out with tons of gorgeous pieces that you never knew was there to begin with. Customers are constantly donating items that they don't find any use of to thrift stores daily, multiple times a day. And that is right there in front of you for your purchase. And these items come in different styles, different colors, different sizes, and that's beneficial because you can go in there looking for one thing and finding tons of other beautiful things at a low price. Speaking of low price, let me not even discuss how amazing thrift store prices are. Most items are sold for 1/3 of the retail price, and most thrift stores charge way less than 1/3 of the price. From my experience, I purchased a Vince blouse that retailed at $200 with the tag on it for $7. That, my friend, is a lucky, amazing deal that you can have the same way just by looking around. The idea of thrifting is to constantly look. You don't know what's hiding in between the racks, so keep searching. Why else should you thrift? Thrifting is beneficial because most thrift stores are run by non-for-profit organizations. These organizations are looking for ways in which they can help the needy, and they donate to, whether they have their own fund or they're donating to other charities. And these charities include job training programs and animal shelters, homeless shelters, the list goes on. So as you purchase these items, your proceeds and all the other customers' proceeds are going towards a better cause. And that is amazing. So, why should you go thrifting? You should thrift because you never know what you're going to find. And that makes your shopping experience so much better than any other shopping experience. The price is amazing. You're going to find items for way less of the price when you're on a low budget or you're just trying to save money and you want to shop. And you're also shopping for a good cause. Your proceeds can help fund someone who doesn't have the advantage of looking for a job, who's disabled, or has mental conditions in which they can't exactly get trained properly. So these organizations are helping. So, what are you waiting for? You're purchasing something cheap and you're purchasing for a good cause. So if I were you, I'd get to thrifting. Thank you, class.